In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily measure distance between 2 points on Google Maps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Google Maps application, and after that we need to first off select the first point. To do that, we just need to long press somewhere at a map. That will drop this red pin, and after that, right here, we need to tap at measure distance. This will appear something like a scope that is attached to the center of the screen, and now we can move the map, and here will be shown the distance from the first point to the one we are looking at right now. Then, if we want, we can add a point by tapping right here at this plus, and then in this way we can build a road by adding one more or several points just like that. And right here at the bottom left corner we'll see the total length of our road. Basically, guys, that's how we can easily measure distance between 2 points. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.